Hi, this is Lorraine Fouché, your media specialist at Barack and Michelle Obama Academy. I'm going to go through a brief tutorial on how to set up your Google Meet for your colleague meeting, your students meeting, and or for parents to be able to join in on our virtual classrooms. Remember, make sure you're logged into your apsk12.org account. To the left of that, you'll see a waffle. Click on that waffle and scroll down until you see Meet. Click Meet. This screen is here. You're going to click on the greenish area that says Join or Start a Meeting. Click there. Leave this blank, or if you want to put your name in it, you're more than welcome to. Click Continue. This window will come up. You'll see your face here if your camera is connected. If not, please allow your camera and allow your mic to be connected. I think we covered most of those things in the tutorials before we left school. At this point, you will not click Join Meeting. You will go up to the URL, as I'm doing, and click one time. It will highlight the URL. Use your hot buttons, Control C on a PC and Command C on a Mac. So once again, Control C to copy, or Command C if you're on a Mac to copy. Once you've done that, you're going to use your hot buttons again. Control T for tab to open up a new tab, or Command T for tab. As you can see, a new tab was opened. At this point, I'm going to type tinyurl.com and press enter. This screen will open. This is where you click and you will use your hot button again and Control V for victory. Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac, and I just pasted the previous URL I copied. But before you click Make Tiny URL, this is where you're going to name your link. I'm going to name mine Fouché, because I already created one for my first and last name. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Make Tiny URL. Watch the magic happen. On this page, it tells me my tiny URL was created, and it shows me what it is. https://tinyurl.com/Fouché. I can simply copy by clicking copy to clipboard, and it's copied. And then I'm going to open up a new window just to make sure it works. Control T or Command T for a new tab. Control V to paste it. As you can see, it's spelled out as such, and I press enter. And it says no one else is here. That is the correct assumption because no one else has joined. I haven't shared it yet. Remember, that link here that said tinyurl.com/Fouché, that's the link I will share and the link I will use for all of my students and or parents and or staff members that I would like to join my meeting would use. You will never go back into your waffle and click Meet unless you're creating an additional account. At this point, use that link only. And you would click Join, obviously, once you've put that in your browser, as well as share that out so the kids can click it. And then you'll all be in a Google Meet together. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great Eagle Pride Day.